What is up, guys? Shadow Company Airsoft here, and today we're going to be talking about the worst airsoft gun you can possibly get. In my opinion, this is it. This is a Sig Sauer P228, and just look at this thing. It's clear, it's flimsy plastic. It's not really that great of a seal on top. Like, literally, just a piece of shit. The screws aren't real. It's all glued together with just like shitty glue or something like that. This safety doesn't even work, but this one does. Literally. What kind of a fucking safety is that? You can't even disassemble the gun. Alright, now I'm gonna put it to a side by side comparison of the Blackwater Sig Sauer P226. This is not the licensed trademarked one, but still. But it's definitely a much higher quality spring pistol for backyard shooting. Unlike this one, this is a shitty gun. I mean, take a look at the mag. Like, that is so thin and only holds like 14 BBs, I think, or 16, something like that. I mean, there's no mag wobble. I can't complain about that, but just the overall build of this gun. Look at it. It doesn't even have a metal inner barrel. It's just incredibly terrible. Look at that. It's like all plastic in there. It's even literally, there's no tight bore barrel. Not even, it's like a wide bore barrel. A wide ass bore barrel right there. The barrel is probably as wide as the orange tip. Literally, I'm not joking you. It's probably that big. And look at this. The hammer doesn't even work. And you got a little spot where dirt can get in and fuck up your spring and shit. Oh my god, it's just a horrible gun. Now let's see some traits of a good quality backyard Springer pistol. My dad bought these guns at Sports Authority just for me to shoot outside, and plus he's been having some rodent problems because chipmunks and stuff like that eat his like garden and stuff like that, so he shoots them and stuff like that. Yeah. Alright, here's a good quality one. It has real screws for the grip. The grip is a nice plastic. The plastic lower receiver is a good quality plastic, unlike this. The metal upper receiver is great quality, great like heaviness to it. It's even got a white painted sight. Like, that's great. And it has a working hammer. It's got a dropout magazine. The only flaw about that is the dropout magazine. When you take it out, BBs will spill out of it. And yeah, it has a functioning like safety. It's got you can even remove the slide from itself from the low receiver. And yeah, it's like much better than this one. That's not what you want to get. No. Alright. Now, let's take another look at this. It's just impossible to cock back the slide with one hand. Literally, you can't even get it an inch. I'm trying with full force, and it's not even going. That's with a lot of force, like just doing that on my shoes. I mean, seriously, tone down the fucking spring. It's like, and it doesn't even shoot good. I mean, seriously, like, what kind of company makes this shit? I mean, like, what are you looking for? A 3-foot engagement distance? Like, I shot my friend Kevin from Shadow Company with this, and he was just like, that has got to be the wimpiest pistol I've ever been shot with. Alright, let's take this out to the yard and let's shoot it. Got it all loaded up just to show you how shitty it is. Oh, we got a squirrel. One sec. Ugh. Look, like, I'm gonna shoot at that tree. It drops so much. I have to literally... I literally have to do it like this because it makes my hand so sore. It's just... It just shows how unreliable this is. It's dropping even before it gets to that tree right there. Right there. Let's see if it even gets to the wind chime. No, it drops. It drops a lot. And it curves as well. Just because there's no freaking metal inner barrel. That time I shot the wooden piece. That's because it dropped. And that one bounced off the rock. I'm trying to aim with this thing. It's not easy. Literally, I got my sights pointed in the center of the wind chime, and it's dropping down. Alright, now let's take this piece of shit inside and switch it out for a good gun. And we'll shoot the good P226. I mean, sure, it's a different, like, model, but there's no excuse, you know, for it to be this shitty. Now I'm going to show you what a good P226 looks like. I can only cock it back with one hand, so yeah, let's see. Safety off. That goes far. Let's see it hit the tree. Definitely is much better. Hits the tree dead on, but the other one doesn't. See, you can actually hear a high quality ding from this. That time I was off by a little because I'm one-handing this. There we go. That's a good hit. Okay, that time, I don't know what happened, but it just swerved everywhere. Like, I think it was like a wind that passed by. There we go. Hit the small wind chime with this gun. Shot right through the middle, but if that was a human target, he'd be dead. Like, from this distance. Well, not literally dead, but like dead in airsoft terms, like hit, you know? I'm not talking about real dead. Like, the only thing that could kill a person is like 10,000 FPS. Maybe lower. Alright, so that's with the Blackwater P226, and you can definitely see the comparison of which one's the worst and which is the best. So, yeah. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.